This is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra durability and drop test. I'll also be doing a teardown, so if you're interested in seeing more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and follow me on Twitter so you'll be notified once I upload a new video. First, I'll drop the phone in water for about 3 minutes and see how it does. The phone looks to be working without any issues. Now it's time to see how scratch resistant the device is. I'll start off with a set of keys and then some coins. The S23 Ultra is using Gorilla Glass Victus 2 versus the Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on the S22 Ultra. The penny, dime, nickel, and quarter didn't scratch the screen at all. Next, I'll be using the Mohs hardness test kit. On the S22 Ultra from last year, we started seeing faint scratches around a 6 or a 7, and much deeper scratches at an 8 or a 9. Let's see if the Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the S23 Ultra handles any better than the S22 Ultra. On the S23 Ultra, we see scratches at an 8 or a 9. So very slight improvement, but nothing major. We see the same results on the back glass. As for the glass over the cameras, scratches appear at a number 8. Let's move on to the drop test. For the drop test, I'll start off by dropping it waist height on top of the screen. From this first drop, we can already see the screen is shattered or cracked. However, it still operates fine. The rest of the phone doesn't really have any damage. For the second drop, I'll drop it on its back from waist height. The glass on the back also cracked or shattered. The screen still works fine, and the rest of the phone is pretty much in the same condition. Now on the drop test we did last year on the S22 Ultra, when we dropped it on its back, the camera lens shattered. However, this year, since the camera frame or bezel is more bold, the glass didn't shatter, however the bezel itself got some scrapes. For the third drop, I'll drop it on the bottom or rim of the phone. Once the bottom of the phone impacted the ground, the S Pen popped out. There is some minor damage to the corner of the frame, but there is no additional damage to the rest of the phone. The screen still operates fine. For the fourth drop, I'll attempt to drop it on its side. The side of the phone didn't directly hit the ground, and there isn't really any additional damage that I can see. So as far as any improvements go on the S23 Ultra, I would say the only major improvement would be the camera bezel itself. Since it's a bit more thicker or bold, it takes on more of the damage compared to the glass itself. When it comes to the Gorilla Glass protection, Victus 2 or Victus Plus are pretty much the same. There's no major improvements that I can see. If you happen to drop it on any concrete or hard surface, you can expect to see some cracks or breaks. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.